Hi friend, first of all subscribe my channel. After I will show a skill which is about uh, if a person send a message to you in WhatsApp, um, how you can say the message of it. So there is the trick is that we say the message, but they didn't know that he say my message or not say. The trick is that first of all come to your WhatsApp. After that come to sting. After that there is the trick is that read is kept. We should off this. First it is on, we should off this. So now a person didn't know that I know the message of his or not say. Hmm. I say this message, but this person didn't know that he say my message or not say. I hope that you like my video. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you for you.